Take a look at this beautiful flower. It may look simple, but inside it holds something incredibly valuable. This is where cooking all begins. It all starts on the farm, where sunflowers grow and mature under the sun. As they absorb sunlight day after day, their seeds develop and become rich in oil. Once the plants are fully grown, the flower heads are carefully harvested. At this stage, they are dry, heavy, and filled with seeds that are ready for processing. After harvesting, the next step is to remove the seeds from the flower heads. This can be done by hand or with simple tools, allowing the seeds to fall out naturally. These small seeds may look ordinary, but they contain the oil we are looking for. Before extraction begins, the seeds must be properly cleaned. This process removes dust, dirt, and any unwanted materials. Clean seeds are very important for producing high-quality oil. Once cleaned, the seeds move to the next stage. They are crushed or ground into a thick paste. This helps break them open and prepares them for oil extraction. In some cases, the crushed seeds are gently heated. This softens the mixture and helps release more oil during pressing. As heat is applied, the oil becomes easier to extract. Now comes the most important step in the entire process. The crushed seeds are placed into a press and squeezed with force. Slowly, rich golden oil begins to flow out. This moment is a result of all the effort, transforming simple seeds into something valuable and useful. However, the oil is not yet ready to use. It still contains small particles and impurities, so it is carefully filtered to make it clean and clear. After filtering, the oil becomes smooth, pure, and ready for use. It is then stored in clean containers to preserve its quality. This natural sunflower oil can now be used for cooking, frying, and many everyday purposes in the kitchen. From a simple flower to a valuable everyday product, nature truly provides everything we need. Follow for more amazing processes like this.